The coronavirus, COVID-19, brought with it a trifecta of bad news for health, for finances, and now, as it turns out, for mental health as well. I'm delighted to welcome Joanne O'Brien and Dr. Laura Kokinda from LA City Medical Services. Dr. Kokinda, as a species, how are we at adapting to such stressful and dramatic changes in our lives?
You know, humans are actually quite resilient and quite adaptable, which is the good news. Lots of things that psychologists are recommending now is, first of all, keep your routine to some degree. It's going to look very different. That's something we all have to accept, but try to keep a routine. If you're working from home, try to get out of your PJs, get into some sort of work frame of mind.
And we don't mean your daytime PJs from
Right.
your nighttime. We actually mean actual get dressed.
At least to some degree, yes.
I love that whole idea of not being perfect. I think all of us are, obviously not necessarily understanding what's going on, or if we do understand what's going on, not understanding where it's going to go, and then feeling as if we have to be brave and bold and strong and a teacher and a mom and a worker, and if you're working, remain. But you can give yourself a little bit of a permission slip during this time to not be that perfect person.
You can always give yourself that permission slip within reason, but now especially, it's not about winning the pandemic. It's about getting through the pandemic, keeping everyone safe, healthy, balanced. That's what you're looking to do.
There are some good things. I see more families together outside walking, where you didn't see that before. Enjoy the moment of being together with your family, because we're always so busy usually.
This seems to be a really good time for people to pick up new pastimes and new skills. I know that that's one of the things that a lot of people have decided to do in order to make this time valuable personally. You made banana bread.
I did. I'm on the list of the million other people apparently who've been making banana bread lately. But that goes back to the coping skills. You want to keep yourself busy. It distracts from the negative thinking, the worry, the stuff that's not productive.
So when all this is past and we look back, how has Los Angeles done?
I'm completely impressed on how Los Angeles has handled it. I think everybody really worked together. Everybody did what they were supposed to do. And you can see it by the numbers. Mm-hmm. So if you just watch those and if you're data driven, but it's been pretty impressive of how the whole community has come together and helped each other. I think that's what's been amazing.